Hi, welcome to my video. I'm working on this kilt that I'm making. I'm hand sewing it, and the way that I sew it, I'll show you in a sec. Well, actually, let me just show you right now. Okay, so I'm stitching the pleats up like this using I think it's called a felling stitch, or I heard somebody also refer to it as a whip stitch. Anyway, I'm holding the fabric tightly like this because I want to be sure that the stripes line up, and I want to try to make sure that the line that I'm sewing is straight. So in any case, the way I sew it is I have my finger underneath the fabric so I can feel when I am just grabbing a little bit of, sorry, that was Kyoko, a little bit of fabric, a few threads of the fabric, so I know I'm not going in too deep. What happens when I do that, it makes it easy to poke this finger over and over again. So I had an idea to try. I thought I could take this part here of a milk jug and put it on my finger right here and see if, the needle would hit that, so I could know how deep I am, but also keep myself from poking that finger over and over. The interesting thing is, I push the needle through with this finger here, but I don't find it hurts this finger at all. So normally this is the finger that you wear a thimble on. So I'm kind of making a thimble, but for the wrong hand. But I thought that plastic would work well, and the needle would just glance off of it. So I'm going to give that a try. So my finger fits in there nicely. I wasn't sure about that. Well, let's give it a try. Here it is. It does somewhat change the sense of feel of the underside of the fabric, meaning I can't feel it very well, but it definitely creates a good surface for the needle to kind of bump against and come out without poking my finger. So I think I'll give it a little bit more of a trial and, decide from there. Otherwise, I can't really think of a good material to make something like this out of, besides something like plastic, because I had considered like leather, but I think that the needle would dig into leather, whereas this, it just glances right off of it. I mean, I suppose metal would work, but metal would be hard to, you'd have to make sure it's smooth, and metal's a lot harder to work. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and please consider checking out some of my other videos. Bye!